Okay guys, so this tutorial is to show you around your MT4 platform. So once you've downloaded your MT4 from your Apple Store or your Play Store, what you do is just launch the app. So you click on the app and it should bring out this interface for you. Click on accept, and your interface should look something like this. If it's not looking like this, don't panic, you're probably not on tablet mode, which is good. So what you do is click on this place. If your interface is looking like this, click on settings, scroll to the bottom where you see tablet interface, on click tablet interface. Right, so it should change your interface to something like this. Now this section is called your quotes section. As you can see, it's written up here. Some of you, yours will be written down here for some of you. All right, so now that you're in your quote section, you see some things here in your quote section. You see the plus sign here, and that's to add a currency pair. So you click on that, you see some list of folders that you can choose from. So you can choose from here to add a currency pair also. And let's say I want to add gold XAUSD, so I click on XAUSD and you see it has added XAUSD to the bottom of my chart here. You also can remove currency pairs from this list by clicking on this pencil icon here. Once you click on that, you see the list of currencies here. Click on this basket and just choose the currency pairs you don't want to see on your chart. Then you click on the basket again and that's deleted. So from here also guys, you can rearrange currency pairs. How you rearrange is by touching these three lines beside the currency pair. So I'm going to move AUDUSD up now. So AUDUSD is at the top of my chart. From here you can also still add some symbols. You click on the plus sign, but I won't be adding any symbols. So click on back here, and once you get back, you see the chart has been, the quote section has been rearranged. So now finally for the quote section, you can long press on a quote or a currency pair, and from there click on new order to go place an order on that pair. You can also open the chart for that currency pair from there, and you can also check symbol properties. You won't really be needing this anyways. So, and lastly from there you can change to simple view, but I advise that you stay in advanced view mode. So that's all for the code section guys. So moving to these three candlesticks you see down here, this is your chart section. This is where you analyze on MT4. Now we're going to remove these lines that you see. We're going to remove it, and this indicator down here. How you do that is, you see this F up here, just click on it. You can see it brought out the sign indicators. So click on that and click on basket and tick these two and just basket it too. Now they are out of the chart right now. Now this plus sign you see here on the chart view is for just checking. You can use it to check levels, like as I just did now, placing it on a certain level. You can also use it to check price. As you can see, it's showing price on this angle here, so you can just use it to check the exact price of, for instance, this candlestick right here. I can just place it on it and I will know the exact price that was the high for that candlestick. So that's that for that. So this F sign, I've already said it. You can from here add indicators, but I'm not an indicator trader, so I don't use indicators. So that's on that. Now clicking on this one that looks like different shapes, click on it. You see some list of shapes that are here. If you click on the plus sign, you see the different kinds of tools you can use. You have your vertical line, you have your horizontal line, which is used to set levels, as you can see right there. So, and to remove it, I just long press on the tool and click on basket. So back to the shapes again. So you have quite a lot of tools you can use on the charts here. So back to our charts now. You have this $sign. Now what you do with that is that if you click on it, you see the list of currency pairs you have here in your quote section. They are all there in this $sign here. So from here you can actually change currency pairs by clicking on the $sign and clicking on the currency pair you want to change to. So you can do that. So, and finally you have this paper sign here, which you can use to place orders on whatever currency pair is here. So if I click on that, you see I'm in AUD USD and I can place a trade on AUD USD. Now, so taking this one by one, now we have this place, see instant execution. If you click on that, it will bring out the list of order types you have. You have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, as well as the instant execution. Most of you for now might be using instant execution, but those of you that are advanced, if you want to place a buy limit, you can just click on buy limit. If you want to place a buy stop, you can click on buy stop. So but most of you probably be using the instant execution. So that's what that is for. Now this place where you see these numbers here, they are for lot sizes. So to set your lot size, click on the one in the middle and just edit it to what you want. So let's say I want 5.00, so I just put 5.00 and that's set right there. Now that's for that. Now this section here is for your stop loss and this section here is for your take profit. So alright guys, so that's right, so that's how you set your stop loss. Then this deviation is for it stands for price, the price of the market. Now you know when you place a trade, your MT4 should execute the trade at the exact price you entered, but if you put a deviation, it's going to offset the price, so the market will not open at the exact same price based on depending on the kind of deviation you put there. So you can try out the deviation, see how it works on your chart guys. So that's all for this trade section. So what you see here is actually just some price representation here. So and then of course you have the sell and you have the buy right here. All right, so that's that. So also all right, this $sign right here, if you click on it, you can also use it to change between currency pairs. All right, so that's that about that. Next is this arrow sign you see here. Click on it. This is where you'll be seeing the trades you've entered. You'll be seeing them here. So let's say we place a trade on AUD USD. Let's say we place a sell, for instance, just any trade. You see, so it brings us to this trade center where you can monitor your trades and monitor the positions you entered. Now this is where you find your trade position. Now what you can do here on your trade positions is, so if you swipe from right in from here, if you want to manage your trade, you can click on this plus sign and add your stop loss or whatever. Add your stop loss, or you add your take profits depending on what you want to do to the trade. I won't be adding a stop loss or anything. So swipe again. From here you can click on charts and to take you to the chart of AUD USD. From here you can also swipe again. You see this one that is like plus a ticked sign. Click on it. That's where you close your trade guys. That's where you close your trades. So you can see close with loss -9. So just close with it. So this is a demo account, so it's not real money that's in it. Alright, so from here, this place here, you click on it, you get the history of the trades you've placed. So from here you can see the currency pairs that you traded. Presently it's only AUD I've traded, that's why it's just showing only AUD. So, and of course from here you can choose how you want it to be arranged, if it's by order or by the time you opened it or by the profits, so like that. And then this one that looks like calendar, if you click on it, you can just use it to set how long you want the history, how far back you want the history. So if you click on today, to just show you the history of today, only the trades you placed today. So if you click on last week, it shows you all the trades you've placed in a week from the time, from now. If you click on last month, it takes you to back a month. If you click on last 3 months, it takes you back 3 months. Custom period, you can set it to whatever time you want it to be. So that is that about that. Now for this section here that looks like newspaper, if you click on it, it takes you to some news area. And then this one that looks like message, just for some message. So that is actually all about most of the features that you need for your MT4. Alright, so lastly what we do now is let's do okay, no, not lastly. So if you check your settings, you can go through the settings that are here on MT4. I will be going into much of the details on these settings, but you see this place where you see choose theme. So if you are the kind of person that like your application to always look dark, you can just click on it and choose dark, and it changes everything to dark. So that's that about that. Now lastly, once you've opened your account with your broker and you want to log it in on your MT4, what you do is you see these 3 lines beside the code section, click on it and it will bring out this place. You click on manage account. So remember, this is the account that MT4 created the moment I opened this app. So looking at this now, so to now log in the account you opened with your broker, what you do is you see this plus sign, click on it. Once you click on the plus sign, you click on log into an existing account. Now the server details that your broker gave you, you have to copy that and come and paste it in find broker here. And once you paste it there, it will bring out the list of brokers, and you that server should be one of them. Just click on that server and it should take you to where you input your login detail and your password. So some of your brokers might write it as login server, so you just copy the login server and paste it here. Once you paste it here once you paste it here, and assuming this meta quotes is the server, just click on meta quotes. It brings you to a login section. So go copy your login ID, paste it here, and then your password. Some brokers would give you the password you are supposed to use, so just go copy that password and put it there. But if you are the one that created the password for your MT4 platform, you can put it. And there are some brokers like that, like Xness. You create your own password for yourself, so you can put it here in this place, and then you click on sign in and it should log you into your account. So that will be all for MT4 for now, guys. See you in our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our content so YouTube can actually suggest our videos to more people out there that will be needing this content. See you in our next video, guys. Have a great week.